Yeah, today I'm messing with my one of my Wii controllers. There's a couple of them. Guess I forgot to take the batteries out. But they didn't explode, just, I don't know. Put new batteries in them and they don't seem to power on. So I'm thinking these little terminals get dirty. See, they're kind of green and crusty. That's gotta be it. Yeah, it's got 4 little screws. It's a Y. The Y bit number 2. Yep. 4 of them little ones. Am I getting this thing? The 4 little screws. Y number 2. And that's it. Pry it and comes off like that. And use something it's got like 2 little tabs right there, one there. Then another one on the other side. Damn it. Yeah, once you pry it open, it'll come off like nothing. It's the bottom half. This one. It's the second half. Really am missing my tripod. Just like that, comes apart. Now you see these. Focus. Yeah, you gotta clean these. That one's pretty good. Check the back. Yeah, it's a little corroded, but it's all good. You got this one. And you just put like a little. Whoa, I'm missing one. A little screwdriver right in here. A little tiny one. Then you pop it off. Clean it up and it should work. Look at that. I already did it. I scraped all that green stuff you can see scraped up, but it's clean now. And Yeah, take those off and put it back together. Yep, just like that. So the front, there you go, the front snaps. Yep. And put your screws back on. Just like that. Throw in some batteries. Damn it. Should work. Oh yeah. There you go. 30 terminals. That's how you do it. Wire number 2-bit. Said it's got 4 of them. Clean them terminals. Terminals, I mean. Not terminus. Yeah. Yeah, dead giveaways. These little things with the springs. You can see if they're green or in white. Yeah, you gotta scrape them, clean them real good. Both sides, and they should work. That's it. Peace.